Thank this brand for sending me this. It makes a spot for the hinge in a door. What do I mean? Well, let's say you don't want to replace the whole frame of your door. You just want to place the door. Well, the door will probably come blank, meaning on the sides it won't have that little area for the hinge to set in. That's what this does. You put this on the door, tighten it down, thick hinge, thin hinge, and you take your router after it's on the door and you route out the spot for the hinge. Now, if you're a carpenter and you're putting doors on, or maybe you're a homeowner and just want to replace a door but not the frame, you're going to need one of these. Critical. Got to get it right. Try to do it by hand. You try to chisel it out. You trace the frame of the hinge, and then it doesn't ever work out right. It doesn't look good. This will make it perfect.